Baby Bear Zara loves going to the nursery. She's excited to see her best friend, Bibi. Bibi is not selfish. She shares all her toys with Baby Bear Zara. They play all morning. Oh no! We have made a big mess. We must clean it up before Mr. Jojo Bear comes back.
Now it's time to clean up, clean up, clean up. Now it's time to clean up, clean up. Put your things away, put your books away, put your shoes away, put your things away. Now it's time to clear up the floor, clear up the floor, clear up the floor. Now it's time to clear up the floor until it's nice and clear. Now it's nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Now it's nice and clean. Now we have to put away toys in the box, in the box. Now we have to put away toys in the box. So it's nice and tidy.
Great job, Bibi and Baby Bear Zara. I like how you kept the place nice and clean.
It's time for lunch.
Baby Bear Zara and Bibi wash their hands.
Now it's time to wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Now it's time to wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. Because we have to keep them clean, keep them clean, keep them clean. Because we have to keep them clean, keep them clean.
Great job, kids. I hope you use soap.
Oh! Now it's time to use some soap, use some soap, use some soap. Now it's time to use some soap to wash the germs off my hands, off my hands, off my hands. Use plenty of soap to wash the germs away. Wash away! Now your hands are nice and clean, nice and clean, nice and clean. Now your hands are nice and clean, nice and clean.
Baby Bear Zara ate all her lunch because she wants to make her dad and mom proud. Baby Bear Zara runs to give the lunch lady a big, warm hug and tells her,
Thank you for my lunch. Thank you, Mr. Jojo Bear. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye.
Baby Bear Zara loves her mummy and daddy picking her up from nursery. She tells them all about her busy day and tells them how important it is to clean up and wash your hands with soap. So Baby Bear Zara puts on her raincoat and wellies and splish-splashes all the way home, skipping and smiling.
1 splash, 2 splash, 3 splash, 4 5 splash, 6 splash, 7 splash, more! Big splash, just like before. Goodbye, all. See you next time.